Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn on how to add a radius on your Google Maps. So let's get started. First, open your Google Map. And if you see in the Google Map, there's no any specific way to add a radius on your map. But we can do so by the help of a website, that is Map Developer. So go ahead and search for Map Developer on your web browser. Then tap on this website having URL as mapdevelopers.com. Then you will get to this website. And here, as you can see, we have this map. Now you can search for the address by typing it here or just by searching for it. Let's say I want to add a radius around this area. To do so, simply tap on it. And as you can see, a radius has been added to our map. You can also adjust this radius by simply holding it and dragging it. You can also increase or decrease the radius as you will. And guys, that was it. This is how you add a radius on your Google Map. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.